Foreign trade is the key to the rise in global economy as countries are increasingly becoming interdependent and international trade is dismantling all the trade barriers. India's export rate is expanding by 10 to 15% every year and opening vistas of innumerable job prospects. There is a specialized MBA degree that can help you considerably to prepare a global mindset to make profitable deals in the space of international markets. Today, we are here to guide you about MBA in Foreign Trade and Global Business Management to make impactful business relation in different nations. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Education Mitra, आपके शिक्षा का सारथी। Today our topic of discussion is Distance Learning MBA in Foreign Trade and Global Business Management from Suresh Gyan Vihar University. Suresh Gyan Vihar University is a top-rated university located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. This is UGC, DEB and AICTE approved and has NAC A accreditation. MBA in Foreign Trade and Global Business entails the study of global business and economics, international trade operations, supply chain, global logistics, international marketing strategies, and corporate governance. It prepares students with a comprehensive knowledge base in trading policies, producing as well as sourcing goods and services, and exchange of capital. It has to analyze trade promotion, world trade policies, and strategies at different levels, including regional, national, and international levels. It also covers the aspects of risk involved in the new global business through the lens of the legal environment and foreign policy. Curriculum. The curriculum of MBA in Foreign Trade and Global Business includes procedures and documentation of export-import policies, foreign exchange and exchange control, statistical analysis and research methodology, World Trade Organizations, international business laws, multinational financial management, managerial economics, insurance and risk management in foreign trade, international marketing management, and consumer behavior, among others. Career prospects. We all know international trade has completely transformed the business scenario in India. India has a remarkable catalogue of export comprising garments, gems and jewelries, spices, chemical and medical goods and services like high-tech software solutions. That's why its career prospects are tremendously lucrative in various sectors such as exports unit, MNCs, international trade regulatory bodies, shipping companies, custom clearing houses, state trading corporations, buying houses, export promotion councils, research and educational institutions, and engineering good companies. There is a multitude of job opportunities in both public and private sectors, offering attractive job packages such as foreign trade representative, custom and global trade automation manager, business development manager, foreign trade and purchasing specialist, relationship manager, export manager, global trade manager, foreign trade zone analyst, market research executive, and lots more. So what's next? Join high-rated SGVU for a distance learning MBA in Foreign Trade and Global Business Management and become industry-ready to make impressive strides in the international corporate world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Keep watching Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी.